Hey songwriter, you suffering from writer's block? Give me a few moments and I will show you how you can start your next song. Some call it writer's block, but I call it blank page panic. When you're sitting down to write something and all that's staring at you is a blank page. I'm Alatrick, a songwriter at songsinside.com, and I've helped hundreds of students share their stories in a song. So I'm going to show you a way that you can get started on your next song today. I've created a free resource for you called the Feelings List. If you just put the comments, add a comment below and say Feelings List, I'll send it to you free. No email required or anything. Maybe you've been praying to the Muse Goddess to become inspired, or you take a walk and then you come back and you still don't have anything in your brain. Maybe you look to get inspired by starting to scroll through social media, and the next thing you find yourself being distracted and half an hour has gone by and still you have nothing written down. Because what's happening is it's a distraction and not inspiration. You're not turning into yourself. The feeling list gives you more options to really hone in on what you're feeling. And then when you're coming from an emotional place, that is when a song can blossom, because you're honing in on true emotions and you can start sharing your story. And so if you want some ideas to really hone in on your feelings, drop a comment below that says feeling list and I will send you the link. Right on with the W. Right on, songwriters. We need to hear your music in the world. Take care.